Okay, let us solve this problem before us. And this question says, an object is placed in front of a converging lens of focal length 20 centimeter. The image is virtual and has a magnification of 2. What is the distance of the object from the lens? Now, this question is taken from convex lens, and of course, we know that convex lens is something as converging lens. And now, the answer is one of these options here. Solution. Now, the first thing we ask ourselves is to bring out the parameters given to us. Very important. Now, from here, we are given that this is that the focal length is 20 centimeter. Remember, they said that the image formed is virtual, and of course, once the image formed is virtual, that V is negative. Once the image formed is virtual, it is represented with a negative sign. Now, I said that the image formed is virtual and has a magnification of 2. What is the distance of the object? Now, what is the distance of the object? That means we are looking for U. The question is, all the parameters given are just these 2. Now, and of course, for you to solve it, you must use lens formula, and this lens formula is 1 over F is equal to 1 over U plus 1 over V. Something is missing there. V is not there. How do we get V? In order to get V, we have a relationship between V, U, and M. So we now say M equals V over U, which is the image distance all over the object distance. Because we are given this, we'll use it. Now we have, remember that our V is negative, so we'll bring it here, negative. Now we have 2 equals V, minus V all over U. Now we're looking for V. Since we don't have V there, we make V the subject. And if we make V the subject, we now have that, yes, V minus V is equal to 2U. And of course, you cannot have minus V as 2U. Therefore, we cannot say that, yes, V is expressed as 2U. Now, we can now go into this substitution. Now, if we substitute here, remember, we will now have 1 over F. So, we say 1 over F is 1 over U plus 1 over V. Now, we substitute. F is 20. 1 over 20 is equal to 1 over U. 1 over U. U is already there. Now, in place of this minus, in place of this plus here, this is what we are going to put there. We now have minus 1 over, now this minus has taken its position. We have 2U. So 2U. At this point, you will agree with me that these two have, U is common there. So we can take care of that side first. So we now have 1 over 20 is equal to, now LCM of U and 2U will give us what? 2U. Now, U divide 2U divided by U, or U divide 2U. It will give us 2. 2 times 1 will have 2. Minus, you bring down your minus. 2U into 2U will give us 1. 1 times 1, 1. Which will now give us 1 over 20 is equal to 2 minus 1. And of course, it will give us 1 all over 2U. All over 2U. We now come over here and say 1 over 20 is equal to 1 over 2U. You can cross multiply at this point now. If you cross multiply, 20 times 1 will give us 20. And then 1 times 2U will give us 2U. Make U the subject. U will give us what? Divide both sides by the coefficient of U. And the coefficient of U is 2. So we now say U is 20 all over 2. And 20 over 2 will give us that u is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. To assess more questions and why v is negative, please see the link in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and follow for more. Thank you.